Good morning, Bullard High School. Mr. Haskins here, your librarian. Just a quick note on some of the resources available to you through your Clever account. So what you see on the screen right now is my Clever account, but you have many of the same links. The first thing I want to focus on is Destiny Discover right here. I'm going to click on that. What you can do with Destiny Discover is place a hold on a library book, and then on Wednesdays from 1 to 3, you can come on into the library and I will have that paper copy ready for you. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly. So again, this is called Destiny Discover, and you will see it on your Clever page. So you can search for a book right here, or you can look at the things that were just recently added. So let's say you want Red Hood. You can place a hold on it right there. When you do that, it lets me know, it actually notifies me on the library website that you've placed a hold, and that tells me that you will be coming in on Wednesday between 1 and 3 to come pick up that book, and I will prepare it for you. I will pull it off the shelf. I'll put it in a Ziploc bag for you, and it will be waiting for you outside the library. So I'm really hoping that you guys start taking advantage of that. Another tool for you is Sora. Sora you can access through Clever, or you can also download the app. I use it all the time to listen to audiobooks and ebooks. So again, this is Sora. And here you can search for a book. You can look at classics that are always available. You can also search by popular subjects. So I'm just going to put young adult nonfiction. And what I can do is I can borrow an ebook or audiobook. This automatically downloads onto your phone or your computer so that you can listen to it or you can read it. Notice if it says read sample, that's going to be an ebook. If it says listen to a sample, that's going to be an audiobook. And when you borrow that, it automatically downloads. You don't have to wait for me to do anything. One more thing I want to show you. I'm on the Bullard High School main website. You can go to academics, go to library, and there are many resources here available for you. We have the database, again, another link to Sora. This actually right here is Destiny Discover. You can get a library card. You can access tutoring, reset your password. You can watch Night Watch, right? One of the new things I've put on here is book purchase requests. So this is a Google form that you fill out. This is in case we don't have a book either on Sora or Destiny Discover and you want it. Maybe it's not even available. I will go to Barnes & Noble and I will purchase it for you, and then I will email you once I have it. I normally go about once a week, and I will barcode it. I will check it out to you, and then you can have that book until you're done reading it. So there's lots of great resources here available. If you have any questions, you can easily email me right here. That'll open up your email. You can send me an email, or you can just call me if you have any questions at all. But just know that we are here trying to be a resource for you. If you want a book, either print, an ebook, or an audiobook, we want to make sure that we get that to you as quickly as possible. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.